Hey guys, how are you? If you're looking for how to check who will view your LinkedIn profile, so I will show you in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, I'm also going to show you if this option not showing on your LinkedIn profile, how you can check it. Just come to the home and just click on this tiny arrow and just click on view profile. Okay, so when you with the profile, then just scroll down, and here you can see an analytic. You will see the profile viewer and impression and search appearance. Okay, so you can just click on profile view and you can see the who view your profile, but in my profile I don't have any visitor, so it is not showing me. So if this option not showing to your LinkedIn, so you have to check one setting on your LinkedIn privacy setting. So how you can check it? Go to this three, go to the me option, click on down arrow, go to the setting and privacy. So under setting and privacy you can see lots of options. So here you have to go in visibility. Under the first option you will see the option called profile viewer option. Just click on it and see your account not in private mode. Okay, so your account in either in private mode or maybe private profile character mode. So in this mode you can't see the your profile viewers and impression. So you can see this is node also. If you are in private profile characterist and private mode, you are disable to you will you will disable to who's viewed your profile and erase your viewer history. So if you select the, if you by default by mistakenly select of this option, you have, so you have to change in normal mode. So guys, in normal modes you select the normal modes, so people also see if they, if you visit their profile, and they can also see you who to you if you view their profile. So just click on normal and just close it. Then just come to the LinkedIn home and view your profile. So let me open this. Okay, just it is opening, and go to the profile, click on your profile. So let me and here you have to check the analytic that is option visible or not. Okay, here you have to check, and here you can check the your profile viewers. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.